This is John Lee reporting for Pirate News TV in Knoxville, Tennessee. Why did Judge Baumgardner refuse to allow evidence of Raynella Dossett Leath's prior felony conviction for shooting the husband of her second dead husband's mistress? She lured the victim and then fired 6 shots at him. She pled guilty to attempted murder, but that conviction was expunged, which is not allowed in Tennessee for anyone else. Since when is shooting at your husband's mistress husband not relevant to shooting your husband? Why did Judge Baumgartner refuse to allow Ed Dossett's body to be exhumed to check for morphine overdose? Since when is a cattle stampede a cause of death for district attorneys? Is the Black Widow an assassin for the mafia and drug-dealing intelligence agencies that control Knoxville? Is Baumgartner protecting those assassins? James Bell is the best and highest-paid defense lawyer in town, who often defends hitmen employed by federal police agencies, such as Charles Daniel Gray, who Ed Dossett wanted to prosecute before his untimely death. New District Attorney Randy Nichols fired the homicide prosecutor, Bob Dr. Death Jolly, who convicted Charles Daniel Gray of his second murder. Charles Daniel Gray was employed as a confidential informant by the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration, which is the CIA, and he had a false passport and traveled to Colombia for dealing cocaine. 4 other murders by Charles Gray were never prosecuted, when he was found in possession of all 4 dead bodies. The Clifford Clark Red Flex Sniper case was scheduled for a discovery hearing in Baumgartner's court right in front of the court TV cameras during a break in the Raynella Dossett Leath trial. The hearing was transferred to Judge Leibowitz's court, and TV cameras were banned. A discovery meeting was scheduled for the defense and KPD immediately afterwards. KPD and prosecutors destroyed all evidence that the camera was shot by hiding, destroying, reusing the camera housing with the alleged bullet holes and hiding or destroying the 3 alleged bullets. The alleged camera with bullet holes was actually removed by contractors on the same day of the hearing, replaced by lasercraft cameras that export 90% of ticket taxes to England and Communist China. The audio portion of KPD's in-car video was also destroyed, which would have proven perjury by the cop's initial testimony that Mr. Clark confessed, which the cop recanted under oath in court. The trial for March 26 was rescheduled to August, since the Red Flex witness, quote, was out of the country, end quote, that entire month. Red Flex is located in Australia, not Arizona. Judge Leibowitz and Baumgartner both agreed that the prosecution will be dismissed with prejudice if the search and/or traffic stop was invalid, to be decided in written order before May 1st. Court TV was not allowed to see this world-famous case in Baumgartner's court, perhaps because Knox County deputies claimed to be the actual snipers and may be subpoenaed to testify to that fact. Last month, Baumgartner and a jury convicted a Vietnam veteran for sexual assault, since shooting ordinary video at a public swimming pool is now classified as kiddie porn. All parents and journalists can now be arrested for kiddie porn, according to Judge Baumgartner, and the jury got home in time for dinner. You can read more about these cases at piratenews.org/weblog.html and piratenews-tv.blogspot.com.